So it's a SIG Node CI subgroup meeting. This is Wednesday, February 17th, new time, and we don't have too much participants. So let's kick it off. I suggest we go through triage really quick. I pre-triaged many issues already, so I only left a few. And I think this one is Artyom, is yours, right?
Yeah, exactly. I saw that because that memory manager PR was matched and we have a lane for it. So, and it's run much often than I run it during the PR match. So I saw some failures. It's probably connected to the allocation of hook pages on the node. So the pod failed to start because the node did not have available hook pages on it. So I just updated the test to restart the kubelet and wait for hook pages under the node, the similar ways that we have under the hook pages test. So now it should pass.
Okay.
And by the way, we have a downstream lane for it, like under internal Reddit CI, and it's until now it always passed. So yeah.
Okay. So basically, same thing that the other test has.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Like you
Yeah,
configure hook pages, restart the kubelet, and wait until the node will have like available hook pages after the restart.
okay, I will take a look after this meeting. Okay. Yeah, and we have nothing else to triage. Jessica, do you want to talk about what you're working on?
Yeah.
Not to.
It was for me or for Artyom?
For you, but Artyom, if
Okay.
something else. Okay.
No. I thought it's like a general question, like
Okay.
to everyone. So no
I'm
matter.
sorry. Yeah, I thought we. Okay. Go ahead, Francesca. Sorry for.
Sorry. So in the past few weeks, I was either not attending the meeting or not, not doing anything. So I actually wanted to restart and doing some contribution. So at the moment, I'm not doing anything, and this is something I want to fix. Start with maybe some simple or whatever. Start and. Another thing I want to say, but we can save it for later, about the CP manager end-to-end test, but let's skip for the end of the meeting.
Okay. So you're looking for a specific task to fish out
Yes.
this pond of to-do
Yep.
list. Okay. Artyom, do you want to talk about your in-progress task? I just want to make sure that this in-progress list is
like again, I still have some small fixes for CPU manager. I tried to reach the Kevin the last week without luck to get the approve. So this week I will try to reach Mrunal, and I hope it can be matched.
okay. So you're talking about all this, like I remember. Yeah, those are not going too easy. Oh, not this ones. Okay. Yeah, one of those tests, right? One of this.
Yeah, exactly. But again, you already like review it, so the only thing that we are lacking it's approval.
Okay. Okay. So other in progress is you, Artyom. I'm looking at this. So I want to chat a little bit about this second topic. Is okay. Morgan's approval, not second. Okay. Cool. So if you haven't seen, there is an ongoing effort. Like there is a reliability working group that was created to improve reliability of Kubernetes overall, and they have a document, like Wojtek created a document explaining what he wants to achieve, and this document asks whether we can block like jail feature development unless all the tests are green. And to implement that, they suggested, I mean, first of all, like not everybody likes the idea because I mean, it's open source and it's really hard to jail feature development. Like people do whatever they want in open source. We just need, like, if you interested to participate, you can participate different ways, and improving tests and reliability is just one of the way to do that. But nevertheless, like to implement this jailing of features development, they want to assign every test a SIG. So every test will have a SIG tag in a name. So like all the SIG node tests will be prefixed with SIG node, and this is work currently happening. So once this work will be done, we will get into a situation when every test failure will be associated with a SIG, and the idea is if you will, for SIGs that have all the tests green, some sort of enforcement can be done to not move forward with features unless tests are green. So that's kind of an idea. For SIG Node, it may be challenging because SIG Node owns so many areas and it's just too big. But for other SIGs, it may work. And yeah, so this is happening, and I really like what this reliability working group, like, I mean, they have this strange proposal to like jail feature development, but at the same time, like coming to this proposal, like coming towards this proposal, will implement many features that will help us. So another idea they have is automatically create bugs and associate them with a test grid. So whenever you see a test failure, you can jump into the discussion for this test failure, and you know that bug is already there, and it will be linked both ways, like back and forth. That's also amazing tooling that we really need, and it will be really great to have it. So yeah, that's an update here. What else are you working on? Yeah, DT didn't come. She was working on container test plan. Yeah. Okay. We may want other people to comment on that. Okay, then next we typically go through issues to do, and Francesca, if you need some issues that you want to work on, do you have an idea what you want to work on, or like just want to review what's in the list?
Well, what I would have done was just pick one issue I quote unquote like from the to-do bin. So if you have something more urgent, it's okay. Otherwise, I contributed mostly in the CPU manager area, end-to-end test, in the pod resources end-to-end test, topology manager end-to-end test area. So those are the areas I'm more experienced with, but yeah, I'm here to help. So
okay, I'll keep it in mind. Thank you. Otherwise, just pick whatever you see in this bucket.
Okay, awesome.
Perfect. And by the way, if you want to just review test grid and see if some failure is not taken there, like you can just fix whatever is failing.
Okay, not taken.
Not every failure have an issue. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and Morgan is not here. I really want, like, Ilana. Like last time we wanted to ask him if he want to become a prover, and I think everybody supports this, and we'll have more like better velocity in approving test-related things. So looking forward for him to join and like promote himself to a prover. Anything else?
Yeah, I would like to mention that it seems some weeks ago, I think it was, well, long story short, the CPU manager end-to-end tests are not in the best possible shape. So there is some interest from Red Hat in improving them. So I was just wondering if when we can do that, if there is a reviewer available, or because just to prioritize. So if there is interest in this group, if there is a reviewer available, I can prioritize. Otherwise, it will happen from our perspective, but later. So it's an open question.
I don't have much experience with CPU manager, but I definitely can review. So
Okay.
if this is something that you want to work on, like I can
Yeah.
review that. Yeah.
Okay. No, I totally want that, and I think we talked to Artyom, if not mistaken, lately, right?
Yeah, and I also can help with review. So, like, if
Okay,
you
folks.
have
So, okay.
some spare time, it's like the most problem. Yeah.
Okay, so it will happen sooner than later. So, okay, thanks.
Okay. And I think Murnal is also like Murnal can help with approval, right? Because he's also Red Hat.
Yeah, but well, we were looking to do community contribution, not write Red Dot only thing.
No,
but yeah,
absolutely. But I mean, I'm not from Red Hat, so I can I review it, and then I'm just saying that it's you need to find a reviewer, and then you need to find an approver, and it's easier when approver is more available than and knows what CPU manager tests are.
Okay, awesome. So I will prioritize, and it will happen sooner. Thanks.
Okay. Next, Ilana asked us to do product triage, but I mean, it's not test related. So like, if you want to drop, please feel free. Like, I can do it offline by my own. It's a product bug triage. So, are you staying, leaving?
I can listen. Probably not contribute, but I can listen.
Okay, perfect. Artyom?
Yeah, no preference. It's like, what's
Okay,
the
let's
best
go.
work for you? You know.
Okay, how does it work? So there are a bunch of issues to triage. Okay. Check for IP address. It's a bug fix, so I think that's already actually worked on. Okay. Test failing. But it already have approvals. So I would say it's needs review. Yes. Okay. This is not us. I think we need to archive it out of here. Fix row block CSI not publish volume stage is spotted for. It's SIG storage. Yeah, I don't think it's SIG Node thingy. Okay, I will archive it later. How Kubernetes works. I don't know how Ilana making it so fast. Like I need a lot of time to understand what's going on.
I believe it's experience. I don't know. It's like
Yeah. So what I need to decide whether we want this change, like whether we triage, accept, and priority. Priority backlog doesn't. It's fine to take it. It's only, and it needs reviewer. Okay. Okay. So all the decisions made. Fix debug shutdown events not counting if they are not valid. Cherry pick. Oh, it's I think it's related to graceful shutdown thingy. Page. So this seems to be related to graceful node shutdown feature. And the question is whether we needed to 120 because cherry pick typically is not for alpha versions. It is stuck in disk pressure when image first.
one line
Yeah.
change. It's
Hmm?
one line change, so easy to review. Yeah.
No, this typically is hard to review. Like you never know like what will happen.
Change false to true. Well, what can be broke here?
Oh. Okay, it needs reviewer for sure. Okay. Structured logging. Yeah, it seems legit. Do git test. Accepted. This one needs a reviewer. Okay, another one. Looks legit. Okay. Oops. Did I change the needs reviewer? Okay. Now it's done. Test fails if fake runtime assert fails. Feels like SIG, our SIG. Test a passing, so it's long-term important. Okay, to test. Yeah, it seems legit. And move to reviewer. Okay. Anything else left here? No. These two I will move away. Okay. Yeah, we triaged whole column, so I think it's enough done for today. Any last thoughts? No? Okay. Thank you for attending. Let's see whether this work works for everybody else, and if we will have the same attendance, we will reconsider with the time. But next time, let's meet at the same time.
Yeah,
Yes,
totally.
sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.